Great transportation at a great price from Galpin Motors with an unsurpassed reputation. Carfax One Owner Ford Factory Certified Plus Galpin Exclusive 171-point inspection, 2WD, ABS 4-wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo, cruise control, dual airbags, dual power seats, DVD system, leather, MP3 multi-disc, parking sensors, power door locks, power steering, power windows, privacy glass, roof rack, side airbags, stability control, tilt wheel, traction control. Please call our professional internet team. Manufacturer certified pre-owned vehicle. All advertised prices exclude government fees and taxes, any finance charges, any dealer document preparation charge, and any emission testing charge.